Okay, today we're gonna try to restart this amplifier, the bad one. I've already put it in the video last video, I think, if I'm not wrong. Today I'm gonna show how for the DIY, if you want to take care of the problem yourself. I don't know everybody way, but I think this is the perfect way to do it. First, we're gonna remove this. You have to able to solder this, unsolder this too, and we're gonna remove the remote cable here. Open this one, and also these two screws. They're supposed to be sit like this. After that, you have to unplug the speaker terminal. Be careful with it, because yes, I've already broke one of myself. But I think this is not my mistake. When you pull it, just put hard like this. Don't pull it from the cable. The last technician who tried to repair this ampli seems to make the mistake. It's already loose, so I have to change the plastic on it. Okay, the next, prepare your screw. This is the important part. Well, if you look this bolt, actually this one have very easy to find because they look different. But if they have the same style of the bolt, you have to pay attention, because for the smaller transistor, they actually use different length of the bolt. Let's check. Oh, don't forget this ring, it's important. If you pay attention closely, for the longer transistor they use longer bolt, so keep in mind, sometimes they use the style of the bolt at the front, it's very similar, you cannot make a difference. If you put the shorter one to the big transistor, you might end up failing the thread of the chassis. Next thing, before I forgot, when you check the amplifier, you might noticing if someone has already been there or not. Actually, there's a small thing you should to check. For the original one, this one has a bolt. For this one, also this one in the center, and left or right from the amplifier, if you're forwarding forward face there, this also have a bolt. And here for these two is originally have no bolt, and behind it there's a little spacer. You should pay attention for that. And also the plastic in the bottom, don't forget it, you're gonna need it. If they're too bad, you can replace it with other material, as long as they don't provide conductivity. And the little hard one is to remove the transistor, because if it's still in original state, you will find quite hard to remove them. Before we do that, we better unscrew all of them. Remember to separate the bolt, because this is different type of phase, so I don't have to worry. Just put it all back in one piece. Especially for this one, this is very short one for the thermal control. Oops, fall. People ask why I'm doing this myself. Yeah, first of all, it's cheaper, and secondly, I want to make things done as I want it, so I don't really like to send the amplifier to someone else, because actually, as long as you have the basic for the soldering, it's a very easy part. Just remember, just have to make your solder hot enough to make them work nicely. There's some other way to open it, but I like this one because I think it's more simpler when you solder inside of them. No need to worry about the cable or anything attached to it will break. So when you're done opening this, will be piece of fiber PCB. You can do whatever you like. You can solder them. All this bolt in here is already loose. It's also a sign that someone has been here before. And I really don't like how they fix this one because it's so wiggle. It's so dark. I'm gonna try to clean them all. Like I said before earlier, someone is already messing around. I'm missing 3 bolts in here. One in here, one in here, one in here. They only put 1 in the middle. Well, actually, this is not a good thing. Okay, after you're done, you try to wiggle it. If there's no wiggle, then make a special simple tool. Actually, this is from the heat gun. Just put it like here and tap it with the rubber. If they're a little bit moved, that's enough. You can see by moving them. So you move, see? If you cannot find the metal, this one, let's check. So they see, oh, this one is already been opened, so it's easy. After you press them like this, you will notice all the screw will be moved a little bit there. You have to fix it before you install them again. It's similar with both sides. Oh man. Oh boy, this is scary. This is scary. Well, let's see what we can do about it. I will make another video. I think the part 2. Just try to remember to move them a bit before you install them back. Well, I guess that's it. I'm gonna desoldering this. And also I will check these two. Everything good. I think I'm gonna put the old one because it's a bit hard in my country to find the right size for this. Well, I guess that's it. I'm gonna continue the video when this is already removed and see how we can restore it. This is definitely bad. Oh, see this one? Worse. I think I will also gonna change this sheet too. It's very bad. Oh boy, see, only small, but yes, it'll take a lot of damage. Okay, see you in the next video. Hopefully when I got done, I'm gonna update everything. See you next time. Bye.